Hi, I'm Bill, shop manager, Madness Autoworks, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to install the GoPedal in your 124 Spider. Tools needed is a prying device, a small screwdriver will work, and 10mm socket and ratchet. Our first step is you're going to take your small screwdriver, put it in the slot, and pop these caps off. One cap. 10mm socket, you're going to take these bolts out. Take the pedal and you're going to turn it like that, and then under this tape there's a tab. You're just going to push straight down on it and just remove it just like that. Alright, then you're going to put your GoPedal on here and here, and you're going to tuck the harness up under this on the side here, and you're going to run it across there. Okay, so you're going to take your GoPedal, flip it on your gas pedal like so, and clip this on here like so. Alright, you're going to tuck this back here like so. Reinstall the gas pedal, cut the wire up. Now that you have the GoPedal installed and the gas pedal bolted back down to the floor, you're ready to play with this. You're going to turn the key on. Alright, Eco has 7 settings. 3 down, neutral, 3 up. There's Sport, up. Sport Plus, detune, and ramp it up. To pair the GoPedal to your phone, you're going to need to download the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. And also, once you download the app, you're going to need to register it with your email. Okay, so this is how you pair it. You're going to press and hold on the plus button, and it's going to start flashing at you. All right, and then you're going to open your app. There you go. Turn it off, on, Eco. Okay. There you go. Sport. Race. That is how you install the GoPedal in your 124 Spider. Any questions, give us a call or email.